Why you keep buying courses but never finish them. You start with excitement. Then stop, new course. New motivation. But after a few days, you lose interest. The real problem is not laziness. It's lack of structure. Too much content. Courses today have hours of videos, too many modules, it feels overwhelming. So you quit. No clear plan, you don't know what to do daily, how much to complete, when to practice without a plan. Consistency breaks. No immediate results you expect, quick understanding, fast progress, but learning takes time. Distractions take over, notifications, social media, other courses, your focus shifts easily. What actually works? Set small daily goals, study 1 to 2 hours max, practice after every lesson, keep it simple. Focus on completion, don't aim for perfection. Aim to finish the course with understanding. Track your progress, daily progress builds momentum, momentum builds consistency, the shift from starting many courses to finishing one, the result, more confidence, real skills, visible progress, the final take. You don't need more courses. You need to finish the one you started. Rocket emoji.